Hey there, it's Boot Zone here. This is a Hoover washing machine. It's a OPH616, a 6 kilo one. I'm going to show you how to do the lint filter. It's down here on the bottom. There's a little plastic door here. And there will be water in here, so if you're doing this indoors, you need to get a towel or something down to catch it. You're talking up to about a litre perhaps. Once you've got it unscrewed, pull it out. And in this one, what have we got? I think I know what that is. Let's have a look. Look in there. It's pretty clean after that. That, I believe, is the underwire from a bra. You see them sometimes in washing machines. So if this was a machine that I was going to use again, I would clean all this out just with a dishcloth or something, and then make sure that it's all in good nick. Give it a clean. And just give it a twist until it's right, and then just snap it shut. And there you go. That's it, cleaning the lint filter on a Hoover OPH616. Thanks for watching, see you later.